feet. With every move I meditate, dreaming wide awake for the times I can't sleep.
You're gonna get another one of these. This is one of the strongest ones you can buy, 4,000 PSI. It's rated for construction and everything. We're gonna get another one of these here soon. This is actually a badass motor right here. Let's get out of here, get back to work.
Aiming for the headlights, you would rather follow rows and roll your dice of paradise.
A lot of people, they use water-fed poles, but they only use them maybe up to 50 feet or 60 feet. We do it up to 15, 16 stories, which is 160 feet.
And let it marinate, grew and let the residue resonate, rebelling to replenish the health. My ex say she,
At a site like this, we could probably burn through our tank in one day because we're running the tanks 5-6 days a week, 8 hours a day, and we'll go through about 12 of them.
Smoking in the dark.
That water is at 0 parts per million, meaning there is no minerals in that water whatsoever. It will dry spot free. This is probably a 1-year project where we work here for a year just to get it fucking fully clean so they can deliver it to the leasing office. So we'll go check it out right now.
I got trust issues in my gut tissues for real. I feel them bluffing when they show me a deal. Yeah, I'm from the youth, but I'm pursuing what I feel.
Our mission at Overcomer Academy, like what we're trying to do, is we're trying to help people basically do what we did. Maybe not in the same business, it doesn't have to be the same business. It just needs to be a service business where they can do what we're doing.
I'm doing what I wanna do in debt because I paid a dude. Rapper talk shit, I slay the dude. You don't know shit until you live off ramen noodles. It's been a long way, I'm happy that it happened brutal.
Clean the world one panel at a time.
All my life I've been chillin'. I can feel the ice building up, eyes wide shut. Light is up, smoking in the dark, down the dust, the fuck is up. Heavy eyes.